रामुष्टमत्या ततोदृत्य गोप्या नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानम् रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रजुगं मृजन्तं कराम्भुजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रं रुदन्तं मुहुश्वासकम्पतिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं स्थितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सोघोषङ्निमजन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् शरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेहं वरेषादपीह वरं देव इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्या वीरास्तं किमन्ये नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् इदं ते मुखाम्भोजाव्यक्तनीले घृतं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तिश्च गोप्याः मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्त्राधरं मे मनस्या विरासामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमो देव दामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख जलाब्धिमग्नं नमो देव कृपा दृष्टि पृष्ठति दीनं बतानु रुहाणे समामज्ञमेध्यखिदृश मामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् कुबेरात्मजौ वध मूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्ति भाजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रजच्छ न मुख्ये ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामि तदं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसकुन्दलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु दाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि. The first of all, I offer my innumerable Sastang Pranipad to His Divine Grace, Gurupad Padma Nityalila Pravishtum Vishnupad Ashtotah Tasra Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Pravishtum Vishnupad Asra Bhakti Jivanadhanadhan Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, all our Guru Vargas with Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Guru Prabhupada, all our Acharyas. By their mercy, we will be able to advance in our bhakti process. I offer my respect and love to all Vaishnavis who are present and who are participating in our online program. Today is Ekadashi. There are 2 days also observing. Some are observing tomorrow also here in India. And sometimes happening according to the calculation of these stars. So, auspicious day, we observe fasting. There are many glories and history about Ekadasis, who are observing Ekadasi, what benefit they obtain. This is written in Puranas. The glories of Ekadasi all are printed. Also nowadays in WhatsApp and Facebook, many devotees, they are sending this in English and Hindi and many languages we saw. Now we will go to discuss Yugala Gitam from Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 35 chapter. Utshavam sramaruchapi drishinam unnayan khura raja churita sra. Utshavam sramaruchapi drishinam unnayan khura raja churita sra. Dichayeti suhrudasis Devaki jathara bhuruduraj Devaki jathara jhuruduraj Madabhigurnita lochana isan Manadasa suhrudang vanamali Badara pandu badano mrudu gandang Mandayan kanaka kundala lokna Badara pandu badana mrudu gandam Mandayan kanaka kundala lokna. Here in Vrindavan, they were sitting, all gopis together. Uddhava also present there, because we are continuing our Uddhava Gita, Uddhava Sandesh. So, all gopis, they explaining their experience, different scene, and here, because Krishna is coming, becomes little delay. Mother is Yashoda, she is anxious, so she sent all young girls. Oh, my dear girls, go to see the top of the roof. Why he is late? Go to see. So they climbed in the tower to see how far Krishna is coming. This is. Then when they saw, yesterday we discussed, because when Krishna is coming, all demigods, sub-demigods, they also come and they are offering their worshipping, they are praying for Krishna's mercy. So they told to Yashoda, you are very fortunate. So your son, no need this the devatas, demigods' blessings. They come to pray mercy from your son. So we saw this. So you are great fortunate. In this way, they discussed and how Krishna was counting the cows when they are returning. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has written 108 beads of the mala of jewels. He was counting everything. So he putting all according the colors, groups. Yellow color group, black color group, white color group, red color group. So in this way, he was counting if some cows maybe stay, cannot come, so that he can understand this. In this verse, in 23, he told, Uchchavam samaruchapi drushinam unnayan khura raja churita srak dichayeti suhrudasi saesa devaki jathara bhurudu raja. Here says, Uchchavam samaruchapi drushinam. Drushinam means the eyes who see to Krishna, their eyes becomes like festival. Festival, the eyes, they see many attractive features with Krishna's face. So, how it is? Drushinam Uchchavam, because Khura Raja Churita Srak. Khura Raja, the cows, when the cow, he is following to cows in the backside, all the dust comes from cows' hooves. So this dust decorated to Krishna. But the boys, they clean his body, but his face cannot clean. So all his face decorated with the dust there. So here also his garland, flower garland, also there with full of dust. He did not remove this garland, because that garland, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has written, Radharani sent this garland by one Sakhi for Krishna. So Krishna is keeping this flower garland in his neck, and his face is Uchchavam, like festive, to see for that. Then Sramaruchapi, because whole day he is moving, wandering forests, so in the sun, so he is fatigued, he is tired. So in this tiredness, you can see his face, Kuridachuk, Dichayati Suhradasi says, if he looks tired, still he wants to please, to make happy his friends and relatives, Suhrudas. Who are they? When he comes from maternal side, like maternal grandmother, grandfather, and many other friends there, all together when they come with his smiling face, and who are elders, old people, he offering from distance his head bow down and looks smiling with sidelong glances. So they feel happy by seeing Krishna's this beautiful face. So another is Suhruda, means his beloved girlfriends there, young gopis there. They are also accessing Anxiously they are waiting to see him. So he also with his tiredness, how he was looking, Badara Pandu Badano Mrudugandam. His face is Badara Pandu. Badara Pandu means Badari is a one berry. His look like little yellow, yellowish color, light. But because of Krishna's face is like dark blue, but this cow, the dust painted his face, so color changed. Looks like Badara Pandu. Is given one analogy, one Badara, a bear, so the color is like this. And Manada Suhusradam Banamali with his Banamala garland of flower. Badara Pandu Badano Mrudu Gandam. His very cheeks are very soft and decorated with this beautiful Kanaka Kundala Lakshma, and he has earring, golden earring is decorated. These ornaments looks very beautiful and attractive. By his such beauty, he is walking like a elephant. Mada Vighurani Taluchan. So says Deva. Dichayati Suhrdasi say Devaki Jathara Bhuruda Raja. Here, Devaki Jathara Bhuruda Raja, he has written, who appeared like moon. Udu Raja means who is the king of stars, that is moon. Devaki Jathara, who appeared in Devaki's womb. Actually, here, Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur's commentary has written, because Jashodas has two names. In the Adi Purana, it is written, he has written this. So there are Jashoda's name, two names. One name is Jashoda, also another name is Devaki. Therefore, Devaki and Jashoda, they are friends because same name. So here, told Jashoda's son, Devaki Jatra Guru Raja, two sidelong glances, he is offering his love to them. In this way, he is coming. Bachalo Brajagavang Jada Gadro Bandyamana Charana Pati Buddhehi Krishna Godhana Mohyo Dinante Gita Venuranu Gedita Kirtihi. So here to worship all demigods, when they come, it becomes a delay, and Mother Jashoda is anxious to see. Then all young gopis, they go to see the top of the tower's building, and when Krishna is coming with his decorated of this Vrindavan's dusts there, and with his beautiful sidelong glances, he is offering his love to respect to old and youngs. He gave up his love to them. With here both the parental mood and conjugal mood, both are there here together. Because all were standing when he is coming, they saw this. So he is maintaining according their rasa and bhava, he offering them to increase their love. This Jadupati Dvirada Raja Viharo. Dvirada Raja Vihara. Here explained Yadupati. Yadupati means who are cowherds, they are also Yadavas. It is written. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's commentary there. So Yadavas, so he is the chief of, king of Yadavas means cowherd boys. Dviradara Bihar. Dvirada means elephant. Who is the king of elephants? Just like slowly he is walking like elephant. Dviraja Bihara. Yamini Patiri Vaisa Dinanti. Yamini Pati means the moon who appeared in night time. So his name is Yaminipati. And the sun god name is Dinapati, means who is the king of day, but king of night is moon. So he's like moon and walking like a king of elephant. Yaminipatiri Vaisadinante Mudita Bhaktra Upayati Durantam. From distance, by his beautiful face, Mochayana Brajagam Dinatapam, who are whole day by separation, they were suffering. Dinanti. Actually, in spiritual, devotional path, the separation is not actually suffering. Separation is more enjoying, because with the soul, not with senses. So when in spiritual, it appeared from mind, and it is more inner feeling, not outside sensual feelings there. By union, by separation, it comes from inside. So more they realize and experience enjoying with Krishna. So they divided the variety of this love, this transcendental love, two parts. One separation mode, one union mode. But here in spiritual, separation mode is more interior and more ecstatic, calm. So therefore, the separation mode is more efficacious from the union. So in Vrindavan and Krishna's letter with Uddhav, Krishna also mentioned this in his letter, that I am now in Mathura and you are suffering for my separation, but really I never separated from you. I always with you, because I am soul of everyone. How I can separate? Same like 5 elements, the ether, air, fire, water, and earth, with 5 the energy, 5 senses, they cannot separate. Like air, outside air, inside our, coming and going, inhaling, exhaling, never separate. Same, I am the super soul. How I can separate from you? But you think we want to see with the senses. But with the senses, this will not actually complement and fully realize or experience or perceive if we do with the soul. Because soul, by remember, when it comes from memory, is more powerful than senses. Senses have very little energy. Sometimes become lose energy and become tired. But with our internal remembrance, meditation, or the spurti appear from heart, this will never give tiredness and increase always this inner ecstatic love. So Krishna has written, therefore I am staying distance and you feel yourself, but you don't understand. That is, he has written there. And everyone, we are also, many devotees, they don't understand that they are practicing bhakti, chanting Harinam, reading Bhagavatam, hearing Krishna Leela, and they worship to deities. They are already feeling Krishna inside, but they don't understand. They say, oh, 10 years I am practicing, 20 years I am practicing, I don't have anything, I don't know anything, I never feel anything. They say like this. This is a scientific realization that we are feeling, when we chant Harinam, when we are worshipping to Krishna deities, are hearing, already our mind, our soul, inner body, so we are already with Krishna. We realize this. But our this with sensual body, with our material body, when we cannot see with our eyes or cannot touch with our hands or cannot hear directly with senses, then we think, oh, I don't feel anything. No, this is actually not like that. Because of our internal exercise vision, we don't feel this. But really, we are with Krishna. And we are, when we receive initiation, already we receive Krishna. His name and his attributes, his form, he is present everywhere. And how we want to see, which form, which pastime, which Leela. There Krishna's is unlimited name. You know, unlimited pastimes, his unlimited form, what we want, you want. Everything is nectar, divine, blissful. So we see Damodar Leela. Damodar Leela, he saw so to Satyavrata Muni, and Satyavrata Muni saw this Damodar Leela. So he started to offering his prayers. He told, I want this Leela, your Damodar Leela. I don't want anything else, because your mother tied you and you are in this beautiful form. you are under control of devotees. I want to see this, I don't want to do anything else. This is the devotees, by their love, by affection. Many I saw in India and many Matajis also, they want Gopal. They keep always Gopal because they can give him Laddu Gopal. Huh? So they can serve, think about like baby Krishna, child Krishna. So he always followed the mother. No? Many also in the West, they like dogs because they keep a dog, they love to dog because dog never go out from them. So whole life they will follow to them. They are showing their love. Therefore they give to they sometimes they say, oh, children they if they grow up they go out they from us. They go outside from us. But dog never go. Dog always stay with us. They love. So they want be master. Dog like they like baby, like child. Come, come, go, go. So this is the nature of the human. So they also many they like to Krishna's different pastimes. So devotees, they sometimes don't realize because he is outside and inside, he is universal, same time he is also individual, he is impersonal, same time he is also personal. This inconceivable energy with Krishna's is difficult to estimate under our intelligence to understand this. Therefore, many philosophers, many also Gyanis, they becomes impersonal, Mayavadis. They do not imagine how can he become a person. He must be God, must be impersonal. Therefore, in Bhagavad Gita, if they read Arjuna saw his universal form, he wanted to see his universal form. After hearing this, he told how you are simultaneously, you are my in front of me, you are my driver, but now you are also a sun, moon, all earth, planet, everything. How I can understand? I want to see. So Krishna show him. He show him everything with the Kala, how he is under control of the Kala. When he saw this, everyone going inside by churnit in his teeth all are, how he becomes, how it becomes like powder, paste. So its bodies. He saw all Bhishma, Drona, Karna, all on Pandavas, all Sanyas, they are entering the Kala. This time he is the Kala. When he saw, he also started to fear, cannot stand. Then later on he prayed to again to see his personal again form. Tenaiva rupena chaturubhujena. He told, and he in the last he saw his manusharupam, he saw him human form. Then he became again come to his own nature, his stable, and he understand. So this is the creator's, his character, his form this. So he is both there. Anyway, who wants to his universal form? He is also for them, he is universal. And who wants to devotees, who wants to with love to him, he is also like this. Ego bahunang jo vidadhati kama. He one, he satisfied to everyone. Everyone can enjoy with his own vision. So this is Krishna's this chapter, the glories of the fruit, sweet fruit in this Jugala Gita, how gopis were explaining about Krishna's how he attracted to demigods and siddhas, goddesses, then animals, birds, Yamuna river, water and trees and creepers, then all these demigods of the Brahma and the Shiva and chief others, they cannot understand how which raga, which rhythm it is coming, they cannot imagine. And how when his Govardhan, the cloud comes, stay, give shadow and sprinkling this small snow for make fresh because of hot. They are servicing how when he returning, how all demigods, sub-demigods, they are coming offering their begging for his mercy, and how Krishna is offering his love to gopis, young gopis and others by his flute sound. And in this way, all gopis, daytime, because of Krishna's separation, they are enjoying with their internal body, with the spiritual. And they discuss each other their experience with Krishna. So here, in Uddhava's presence, they all discussed, and every place where they have seen, they also travel with Uddhava. They went to Govardhan, they went to every place and did like our parikrama we make, our Guru Vargas, they organize this parikrama. We go with Sankirtan and we recite this Leela Katha there, and we remember this. This remembrance, we are recording our memory. When it appears us, with us, then it will take us to Krishna. If death time, we remember such beautiful hour. Maybe we are looking deities, we are doing kirtan. If we bring to our memory death time, we will enter the Leela there. No doubt. So when we sit, we remember this. It will come. And if we are engaged in material our activities, it is also coming naturally to our minds, with our business, society, family, it also comes, everything. And that will attract to us to again to go there. But death and birth and death, this chakra, this cycle, we are moving, that is also there. So we practice Krishna's all this by hearing. Simultaneously, we also see the form of Krishna's. So this is chapter today in Ekadashi completed, and Sukadeva Goswami told, "Evam brajastriyo rajana Krishna lila anugayati." Hey Parikshita Raja, this Krishna lila, all gopis together, they enjoying this. Remi rehasu. Tachita tanamanaska mohodayaha. They are great fortunate. They are daytime. They by this chanting, his discussing this, they pass these times. So this is therefore they are great fortunate to release this nectar. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bol. Now we will little chant Govinda Damodar Madhavas verses. कोडरे क्रीडान्तमन्तं व्रजमात्मजस्वं सर्ववयसे पशुपालबाले क्रीडान्तमन्तं प्रेम्णा यशोदा प्राजुहाव कृष्णं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति यशोदया गाढमुदुखलेन गोकण्ठपाशेन निबध्यमान यशोदया रुरोदमन्दं नवनीतभोजी गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा माधव गोविंद राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि जय श्री गुरु गौरांगन हरि गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपीनाथ जय की जय राधा दामोदर जय की जय ओम विष्णु पाद कृष्ण महाराज की जय अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि विष्णु महाराज की जय श्री प्रभु की जय Come by cycle?
No, today I took a rickshaw earlier and then I just hung out at my Guru Samadhi all day and chanted and then I just walked here.
Okay. Good.